guys, so tomorrow's our official move-in day, and I woke up this morning freaking out a little bit because I realized we move in tomorrow and our house is completely unfurnished and we literally haven't bought one thing for our house. So luckily there is an incredible place near us. We have come to the Mecca, I think the best place to get furniture, Ikea. This is like my whole childhood. Anytime we needed anything, I'm pretty sure our whole house is like an Ikea showroom. So here we go. Oh my gosh. I even love the smell of Ikea. I don't know why, it's like so sentimental to me.
How excited are you?
I know.
Normally when we go shopping, I hate shopping. It like stresses me out. Ikea weirdly is like the exact opposite.
Really?
Like, yeah, I think it's the most exciting shopping experience for
Oh
me.
my gosh.
I'll tell you why, because you see stuff, it helps you vision what things look like, and normally in the shop you just see like 50 different cushions and I'm like, I hate that.
Yeah.
But here like you see like the whole picture and then you can like get a vision for it.
Also, this isn't sponsored in any way.
It's not.
It sounds really
I haven't been to
sponsored.
Ikea in, like,
I know,
years.
but we just freaking love Ikea, so.
Okay.
Let's go.
Wait, let me just go.
Okay. Ever come to Ikea and just pretended that you lived in the different like environments that they have? Don't pretend that you haven't, because I know most of you have. I love because it's so cool. Every room is set up kind of to give you an idea of what it would look like to live somewhere like that, so you can get a sense for like what vibe you like and stuff. And it's so fun just to pretend that you live here. So this is the shape couch that I'm feeling, because there's gonna be so many of us. We want a community vibe, and this way you can all be chatting. It's pretty expensive, but we will keep an eye on it. I've also got my eye on a few other ones from different companies, so we'll see. But this, I like this. Okay, what else have we got? Oh, this light is so cool. Okay, we're testing futons. Louis tried that one and did not fit. Let's see. Yeah,
and it's
super short, and there's no way I could fit there next to you.
I mean, it's more comfortable than a blow-up mattress, but it's just not big enough.
No, we need a bigger one.
Okay, let's keep looking.
Okay, this is literally Goldilocks.
What?
Where you're testing out the different beds. Only right size one that we could find, but I think it's one of the ugliest couches I've ever seen in my life. Don't you agree though?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, it's gonna be a pass. Come on, Ikea, step your futon game up. Okay, what else do we need?
They can make that good.
I know. We've made it to the desks. This is definitely one of the main things I wanna get today, because I wanna start working. Ooh, I like this really long white one. I've got my trusty little notebook that we filled out yesterday, and I'm gonna be putting my desk along here, and this is 13 feet 4 inches, and this really long white one is 6 feet 7 inches. So that would come out to like maybe here, which is pretty good. I was kind of hoping for the whole length, but that looks massive. I don't know if I need longer than that. It's really not a bad price as well. Louis' one's a little bit more complicated. We've just tried to do the math, and we think along this whole wall, if he wants desks, if he wants this corner one on each end, and then basically what's left over could potentially be 2 of these middle ones exactly, or we might be like 2 inches off, which means literally he might have to cut this much off.
Another question, what surface? Do we go white or do we go like sand or like wood?
I'm gonna go white personally, but you're gonna make yours very dirty. So
does that look rank to you?
Yeah, it does. Also remember, your wall is kind of like that brownish color, so you don't want it to blend in.
Okay, yeah.
I feel like this navy one's looks fancy AF.
But do you know? Yeah. No, I think white. It will encourage me to keep it clean.
Yeah.
Because otherwise there'll be stains. If it's black, I'll just leave stains on it. So.
Yeah. Okay, good. Let's do it. I love with this chair, and it leans back. It's super comfy, but it's pretty pricey, and I'm gonna want 2 for my office, so I don't know. But it does come in pink, that one up there. Ooh, I don't know. Okay, we're testing to see if we want a king mattress. What are you doing?
but then it's what we don't like. They're like, I need space.
Like there's space for another person. Time for the marketplace. Are you ready to spend all of our money?
$1 billion.
Yeah. Okay guys, it's been like 3 hours. I think we've been pretty successful. We have 2 full carts and now we are at the furniture section. Oh, it's just so ugly. We're just looking at that futon again. Anyway, I think we're gonna get the desk, maybe a desk chair. I think that's all I need from this section. What about you?
What are we going to sleep on? We haven't got a mattress yet.
No, I said a blow-up bed.
I don't think they do them here.
Sure, we can order one on Amazon. What are you getting from here?
Oh, I'm getting my desks for my main thing. And
chair?
Like an office chair,
Yeah. Okay, let's get it.
Okay.
Alright guys, we've checked out. I think that was like 4 hours. We spent over $1,000, but we got a lot of the main things that we needed to get. And I've treated myself to one of these. I feel like this is the ultimate, like, okay, you made it through Ikea. You burn one of these. Hey guys, so it's quite a bit later and I just spent the evening at a women's circle at my friend's house and oh my gosh, it was just amazing. It was like 3 hours of sharing and connecting and deep chats, and I think that's my Uber, but this is just like the perfect reminder of this is exactly why I want to live somewhere and put roots down and build community and connect and just have the space to have these conversations on the regular. But I'm jumping in the car. See you guys in a bit. Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Okay, I've just come back to the house and Louis spent the past 3 hours, or I was with my friends, 4 hours, something like that, doing loads of things in the house. So I just walked in. You ordered this and it came within an hour?
Yeah,
Amazon Prime?
Things as well. Amazon
Okay,
Prime.
amazing.
And I just put it up so we got somewhere to sit if we order food.
Yeah, that's nice. And then let's see what you've done up here.
So Raya's just arrived after her evening.
Whoa, if you're vlogging then it means it must be good.
Well, okay. First of all, I just put this if you just check out.
Thank you. Wow, yeah, I do need to get a huge one, don't I?
Yeah, that's like...
I think you don't realize how big of a space it is until... Wow. Oh my gosh, it looks crazy on camera too. Okay. I guess I'll be getting the big one. And then...
There's also a reason why I put this one in here, because...
Because it doesn't fit, okay.
No. But check.
Oh wow. Oh, it looks so cool.
It's so good, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks so cool.
And then I'm thinking...
I love it.
Oh yeah, so I basically...
I love the white too, it's like really bright.
The first 2 desks I hand screwed and I've got a blister on my hand, and then
Oh my
I
gosh.
Amazon primed an electric drill.
Of course
And
you
it
did.
arrived in an hour.
Wow. Oh my gosh, this is real. It is officially moving day. We drove here with like happy music blasting, dancing. I don't think I've stopped smiling all day. So freaking excited. The only thing is, all of us that are moving in are travelers and creatives, and most of us haven't properly lived anywhere before this, so no one really has anything. Like Cam and Johnny, that is most of their belongings, and same, like we just don't have much. So even after we unpack everything, I feel like the house is still gonna feel super empty, but that's all good. Other cool thing is we can get Amazon Prime now here within an hour. Again, not an ad, but so we just ordered one of these. I got tons of hangers and like cleaning stuff, and it came within an hour, which is so good. But the hangers are the thing that I'm most excited about, because really my only thing I have to unpack is my clothes, so I'm gonna go try and set up my closet. This is the final result. I am so happy with it. So down here I've got all my long skirts and long dresses. This is actually a bath mat, but it doesn't fit in our bathroom, but it's so comfortable that I couldn't get rid of it. Here I've got all of my short dresses, which, as most of you know, I mainly wear dresses, so this is like the biggest part of my closet for sure. And I've tried to color code them, and this is such a good thing, seeing them out. There's already a couple that I'm like, oh, I never really wear these, so I'm gonna see if I don't wear them like for the next couple months, then I can donate them. Over here I've got shoes at the bottom, like comfy home clothes, pajamas, workout clothes, my handbags, and this is my bathing suits, which I think there's just like so many random little pieces that I think I'm gonna get a box, like just something I can pull out, and then all my bathing suits are in there because I can't really pile them up like the rest of these clothes. I've got my hats, and Louis' hat is up there as well. On this side we've got tops and jackets and stuff, and actually back here are a few things that are already ready for donation. And then this side I don't really know what to do with yet. This is like a really ugly thing that we need to figure out how to cover up. Louis needs to hang some of his shirts up, so once he unpacks we can see how many shirts he needs to hang up in here, but I don't think it's that many, so maybe I'll put a box of for my bathing suits over here instead. But we'll see, gotta figure that out. But this is so cool. All my clothes, the two bottom rows definitely make me the happiest. Oh my gosh, I love it. Somehow we found our way back to Ikea, so we went to World Market and Home Goods, which are both like have a bit more of the cool, like unique pieces and more home decorative pieces, I guess. But we realized that we kind of need to get like all the basics first and then build on top of it, because to buy like throw pillows when we don't have a couch doesn't make any sense, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I think we're gonna just keep trying to get the basics, the big pieces, and then probably over the next week we'll just go back to these like more fun stores. But yeah, as I said, I love Ikea, so I don't mind being back. So we've been here for like 30 seconds and the boys are already making a mess. Oh my gosh. This is your first time in Ikea, isn't it?
I know!
What do you think?
I could live in here.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean you have like 700 beds to choose from.
For all my friends.
Yeah. This is pretty cool though. It's a couch that like pulls out into a huge bed. So this could be a good option for guests.
Okay.
But, okay, can we move on?
Boys!
I work at Ikea now, I'm selling their furniture.
They honestly are.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, she saw us pulling out the couch and now she's like, wait, that looks like a great couch. Are you done?
I'm done.
We've been here for 10 seconds. What's going on over here?
Like a glove. Perry, come real quick.
Wait, something's brought on seriously wrong. Wait, this needs to be over here.
Why are you breaking everything in Ikea?
This needs to be all the way over here. Yeah, almost. But wait, I think we've lost the whole thing though.
Perry, your input here is...
Well, they almost got it.
Yeah.
There you go. See now?
This is the reality. I cannot believe that we fit everything. Wow. Nice job.
Yeah.